forth. Be that good Samaritan this morning. Are you ready? Practicalize it. Whenever I shout and you want to pull them, because you are pulling multitude. You alone is pulling multitude. There are multitude that our enemy has shut the gate of heaven against. That's why we came here today to revenge against the host of hell. This is what will cost them more tears. Now I'm going to shout, all those of you that enemy are shut out from the gate of heaven, from the kingdom of God. Now your child, I pull all of you into kingdom power. Are you ready? All those of you that enemy are shut out from the kingdom of God. Your tone is going down. Make it more louder. We're speaking not only in Isach, we're not speaking only in Lagos, we're not speaking only in Nigeria, we're speaking all over the earth. That's where the echo of our voice and the effect of this prayer is going to. All those of you that the enemy has shut out from the kingdom of God, I pull all of you to kingdom power. All those of you that the enemy has shut out from the kingdom of heaven, all those of you that the enemy has shut out from the kingdom of God, all those of you that the enemy has shut out from the kingdom of God, all those of you that the enemy has shut out from the kingdom of God, all those of you that the enemy has shut out from the kingdom of heaven. Now Tom, it's time. Any man that is standing on the altar illegal, today mark their end. Are they turning to cockroach? Anyhow, are you ready? You are ready? Are you ready? No one after now that is standing at the altar illegal will survive this sword. Are you ready? This sword is not for you. Your own is in your hand. This one is brought for this purpose. My Father, my Maker, as I pray this hour, any man or woman standing on the altar of the church illegal without the permission of heaven, today, this hour, now, their end have come. Maraya Diko, Maraya Diko, Maraya Diko, Maraya Diko, Maraya Diko, Maraya Diko, let's go Jesus. Maraya Diko, 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 Maraya Diko,